Hi everyone, finally I received my Cricut Maker 3. So in this video I will show the unboxing, what the box contains and do my first cut on this one. Watch till the end to see all the stuffs with Maker 3. So first let me open the box. It was well packed and safely packed, the big container of box. So once I have taken it out, then with the help of my daughter, I started opening my machine. She was more curious than me to open the parcel. So we opened the boxes. And this is the user manual. So it will be having some samples as well. I will show that later. And remove the boxes which covered the machine. She wanted to lift, but it was very heavy. But we pulled the machine out. Oh. Okay. So now the machine is out, and it has some power card. I will show how to connect these things, and they gave some sample materials to test as well. So this is the power card. 3-pin and 2-pin both was available, and another one is an USB one. So inside this manual we can see inside this pouch there will be a user manual and one small test piece of vinyl. This manual shows what are the machine parts and how to set up the things, everything. And this is a warranty card, and this is a sample smart vinyl. Then this is the pack of other materials. Let's see what it has. Usually Maker 3 doesn't come with the mat, but the Cricut Joy used to come with the sample mat. Actually that is standard grip mat will be there, but in Maker 3 we have to buy the mat separately. Since this machine supports the smart materials, they give this smart material samples. One is transfer tape, the top one is black vinyl, and this one is smart black iron-on, and another one is a sticker paper, Cricut sticker paper. So all these samples are there. At the end of this video I will show that process how to set up the design spacer. So watch till the end. So this is the smart iron-on, and this is the sticker paper, glossy one, which is waterproof actually. So how big the machine is. Let's remove the cover now. So the cover has been removed, and this is the so it's packed well. I am removing the cover. So once it's covered, let's open the machine. If you lift the top, automatically the bottom will get open up. Remove this foam sheet which tightly holds our blades. This is B part and A part, and this is B part. In A part we used to keep these scoring tool and pens and everything, and the B part is for knife blade and other blades. It's on the machine. At the end it will detect the tool first. And this is unload, and this one is to run, I mean cut, start cutting, and that another one is for pass, and there will be a compartment at the bottom. Now I am using that sample black vinyl which they have given with the system. So the first cut will be the Cricut, which is after you are setting up the machine, it will prompt to cut the word Cricut. So that setup is added at the end of the video. Whatever how we are going to configure in the DS, that one I showed at the end. Watch till the end to see that one. So now I am doing my first cut. It's going to cut the word Cricut. After that it will confirm the machine is working fine. Then you can start doing your own projects. So it's blinking to click that one, so it will start cutting. It's detecting the blade by going at the end of the right side end of the machine. Now it will start cutting. This machine is ultra super fast, and no noise will be there when you compare to the Explorer or Cricut Joy. So that's the specialty of Maker3. Click to unload, 2 arrows to unload. Now I cut that Cricut. Now you can see what I have done in the DS. So first, once you are connected your machine, install the design space, and here you can go for the machine setup, choose Cricut Maker3, and machine setup you have to click Maker3. Now connect with the Bluetooth device. So once your machine is switched on, it will automatically prompt here to get connected. Yeah, it's showing up the machine name now. Now I need to choose this one. It's connecting now, so that's why it's the loading symbol is there. Okay, now it's asking to activate the Maker3. Yeah, I accept that one, and the machine got activated. It will take few seconds to do some update on the machine. So we need to keep the iPad or your machine, the DS where you opened, near to your Maker3 to get those updates completed. It's a one-time setup only, so it will take few seconds. Once it has been activated, it will be connected automatically on your next runs. So the update is complete and the Maker3 is activated, and we need to give continue. Now it will test our machine. So in that case only, I have been inserting my smart material, the black vinyl, into the machine. In the meanwhile, it will visualize all the things, make sure whether the blade is into the clamp B, and make sure there should be some space behind the machine, and all instructions will be prompted in the screen. So you can simply follow this one. This flashing button is for load and unload the materials or the mat into the machine. So now I have to insert my material and click load. Then it will pull the material into the machine. Once the machine pulled the material, it's asking to give next. Since I am setting up my material over there, the same things it's getting prompted. That's why you are seeing them twice. I need to just insert and press the flashing button. It will always prompt in your machine which button we need to click on. So these two arrows is for loading and unloading, and the next symbol is for to go. The press go option will be there usually in Cricut Joy, but here you have to start cutting, you have to click on this second button, and third one double lines or is for this one pass the cut. If something your paper is messing up or something is going wrong, means the mat is struck or something, you have to click on that press pass. Since I have inserted the material successfully, it's asking to click on that ready to cut thing. Once I click that one, it prompted the cut in progress. It just took only few seconds because it's cutting the word Cricut on the sheet which I have inserted the black vinyl. It will take only few seconds. This first cut will be always Cricut to make sure your machine works fine. It was some kind of automated process by the Cricut itself. Now the cut has been done, so again it's flashing to click on the unload button. So once you unload the vinyl, you can take it out. Now you can see the machine test is complete. So it means your machine is successfully activated, it's perfect to use. Now you can go on with other things you can do. So moreover, once you click, it will congrats, you did it. So it even shows how to you need to remove that vinyl also. It's cool, right?